Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Hi friends, good morning. Today I am discussing May 13th, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. What is the name of the mission launched by the Government of India to send medical aid to 5 island nations in the Indian Ocean? That is Mission Sagar. The Government of India has initiated a Mission Sagar as a part of their efforts to send medical aid to 5 island nations in the Indian Ocean in the amid of COVID-19 pandemic. In this regard, Indian naval ship IN Kesari deported for Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Madagascar to provide food items to COVID-19 patients and also COVID-19 related medicines including hydroxychloroquine tablets and specific Ayurvedic medicines with medical assistant teams. The mission launched in coordination with the Ministry of Defense and the Ministry of External Affairs and also other agencies of Government of India. If we talk about Ministry of Defense, Union Minister is Rajnath Singh. Ministry of State, that is Shripad Yeso Nayak. Ministry of External Affairs, Union Minister is Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. Minister of State is Velamveli Muralidhara. Next one. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has started up a 6-member panel recently to review the existing production sharing contracts due to the fall in crude oil prices. Who is the present Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister? He is Dharmendra Pradhan. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has set up a 6-member panel to review the existing production sharing contracts due to the fall in crude oil prices and COVID-19 lockdown. If you talk about Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC, it is one of the big PSU like an Indian Oil Corporation. Head of this corporation headquarters located in New Delhi, Chairman and MD Shashi Shankar. Next one, the New Delhi based National Gallery of Modern Art NGMA has launched a virtual program called NGMA Ke Sangrah Se. The NGMA functions under which ministry? It works under the Ministry of Culture. This MGMA is a premier institute in the country that houses modern and contemporary Indian art, has launched a virtual program called NGMA Ke Sangrah Se to show an iconic and rare collection of artifacts from its repository. This event is based on various weekly daily themes for the current week. The theme is Artist by Artist and dedicated it to the poet Rabindranath Tagore, whose 159th birthday anniversary was celebrated on 7th May. If you talk about this National Gallery of Modern Art, that is NGMA, Director General is Sri Advaita Charan Garnayak. It works under the Ministry of Culture of India. Next one. With which organization the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is an ICMR, has partnered to deliver COVID-19 test kits? That is with India Post. If we talk about this ICMR, that means Indian Council of Medical Research, headquarters located in New Delhi. Secretary and Director General is Dr. Balram Bhargava. If you talk about India Post, headquarters located in New Delhi. Parent ministry is Ministry of Communications. This India Post will come under Ministry of Communications. This ICMR is an apex body in India for the formulation and promotion of biomedical research, and it has entered a partnership with India Post to deliver corona test kits from 16 regional depots. Next one. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, that is TriFed, signed an MOU with organization to collaborate in programs of each organization to promote the tribal enterprises, that is Art of Living. This terrified under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Art of Living signed a memorandum of understanding to collaborate in programs of each organization and to promote the tribal enterprises. If you talk about Ministry of Tribal Affairs, He is Arjun Munda. Ministry of State is Renuka Singh Sathura, set up in 1999, headquarters located in New Delhi. If you talk about AOL, that is Art of Living, founder is Sri Ravi Shankar, founded in 1981, located in Bangalore of Karnataka. Next one, name the Chief Minister of Nagaland who presented a state budget of rupees 21,049.87 crore for the financial year 2021. He is Nipuvuro. Nagaland capital is Kohima. Next one. Name the first state in the country which provides the facility of beds with ventilators in hospitals of each and every district of state. That is Uttar Pradesh. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. CM of UP is Yogi Adityanath. Governor is Anandibin Patel. Next one. Narendra Dhruv Batra to continue as a president till May 2021 at International Federation of which sports? That sports is hockey. The International Federation, that IFH, announced it had extended the terms of the President Narendra Dhruv Batra members, which is due to the end in October 20, has been extended till 47th IFH Conference of Congress, initially planned on 28th October to 1st November 2020 in New Delhi, but it was postponed to May 2021 due to COVID-19 pandemic. If you talk about this International Hockey Federation, headquarters located in Lausanne, Switzerland. President is Narendra Dhruv Batra. CEO is Thairi Vale. Next one. Name the Indian who has been conferred the Dachi Valley Freedom of Speech Award 2020 among with 17 journalists from 14 countries. He is Siddharth Vardarajan. Next one. National Institute of Virology, NIV, has developed the first indigenous human test kit named COVID Kavach ELISA for antibody detection of COVID-19. Where is this NIV located? It is located in Pune. Under Health Ministry, Harshvardhan, Indian Council of Research, Medical Research, that is an ICMR, with National Institute of Virology, has developed the first indigenous anti-serve acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus to human immunoglobulin enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, that is ELISA test kit COVID Kavach ELISA for antibody detection of COVID-19. If you talk about National Institute of Virology, headquarters located in Pune, that is Maharashtra. Director is Priya Abraham. Minister of Health and Family Welfare is Union Minister is Dr. Harshvardhan. Ministry of State is Ashwini Kumar Chaubey. Next one, which laboratory of DRDO has handed over the mobile COVID-19 testing lab named Parag to Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, that is MMCRI. It is Defence Food Research Laboratory. Defence Food Research Laboratory, it is an Indian Defence Laboratory of Defence Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, has handed over an initiative state-of-art mobile microbial contaminant BSL-3 laboratory Parag to Mysore Medical College and Research Institute to test samples of corona, that is COVID-19, and its high-tech viral research and diagnostic laboratory. If you talk about Defence Food Research Laboratory, headquarters located in Mysore, and director is Anil Dutt Semwal. To talk about Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, located in Mysore, Karnataka. Director and Dean is C.G. Nanjaraj. Next one. Name the automated contactless ultraviolet C sanitization cabinet designed to sanitize electronic gadgets, currency notes, etc. by Hyderabad-based research center Imrot RCI of DRDO, that is DROS. If you talk about DRDO, it is located in New Delhi. Minister is Rajnath Singh. Chairman is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Next one, with which company the ICMR ties up with develop first fully indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by using the various strain isolated at the National Institute of Virology, that is Bharat Biotech. Bharat Biotech to develop the first fully indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by using virus strain isolated at the National Institute of Virology, Pune. The strain has been successfully transferred from NVP to BBIL. That is Bharat Biotech International Limited. Founder and chairman of this Bharat Biotech International Limited is Krishna M. Yala. Registered office located in Hyderabad of Telangana. Name the country which has approved a multi-institutional project through its NMITLI program to develop human monoclonal antibodies HMAbs that can neutralize SARS-CoV-2 in patients. That is India. If you talk about Council on Scientific Industrial Research, it works under the Ministry of Science and Technology. Director General is Dr. Chandrasekhar C. Mandi. Bharat Biotech International Limited. Founder and Chairman Managing Director is Dr. Krishna M. Mele. Already I discussed this in earlier question. Headquarters located in Hyderabad of Telangana. Next one, the Sports Authority of India (SAI) has formed a 6-member committee to prepare SOP for resumption of sports coaching and activities. Name the person who heads this committee. He is Rohit Bharadwaj. This SAI formed a 6-member committee to prepare a standard operating procedure for phased resumption of training across the sporting disciplinaries at all centers once the coronavirus forced national lockdown is lifted. The 6-member panel will be headed at SAI Secretary Rohit Bharadwaj and will be the CEO. Headquarters located in New Delhi. Director General is Sandeep Pradhan. Next one, name the person who authored the book titled Fear of God under pen name Vardhan. He is Bommadevara Sai Chandravardhan. Next one, Hari Shankar Vasudevan, who passed away recently. He is renowned of historian. He is a historian. He passed away at the age of 65 in private hospital at Kolkata after testing positive of novel coronavirus on May 6, 2020. If we talk about Kolkata University, Chancellor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Vice Chancellor is Sonali Chakravarti Banerjee. Founded in 24 January 1857. Located in Kolkata, West Bengal. The National Technology Day was observed on every year to commemorate the success of Shakti-I nuclear missile tested in Pokhran, that is May 11th. May 11th, India celebrated National Technological Day to commemorate the success of Shakti-1 nuclear missile tested in Indian Army Pokhran Test Range of Rajasthan and also commemorate the flight of the first indigenous aircraft Hasna-3 developed by the National Aerospace Laboratory. Its theme is Roboting the Economy through Science and Technology. Next one, the Indian scientists have founded new species of fishes under which genus in Western Ghats recently. That is Thakinshia. Scientists from the Bombay Natural Society, that is BNHS, based in Maharashtra, the Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies and the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research located in Pune have jointly discovered 3 new fish species under the genus Davantia, namely Davantia apsara, Davantia australis, Davantia crassa. The discovery has been published in the International Journal Vertebrate Zoology. Okay, that's all, friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.